Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be eating very, very spicy chicken.
80. Hey, everyone's going to American Joe's tonight. I want to see you, okay? We're going to split onion strings. Good.
Sorry about that.
Right.
Hey, Clark, they need you at Victoria's Secret.
Let's go try this. Spiciest spicy.
Yeah. I gotta go.
I found it first. No, you didn't.
Ladies, problem. What's the genesis?
She's trying to take the last push-up on this size.
There's going to be a meeting tomorrow. They'll be here by noon. I need this one now. I have to pay tonight.
Really? Is he blind?
Whoa! Waterproof shoes and baggies on the socks. Not my first rodeo. Okay, ladies, need to see some ID.
No, you don't.
Ma'am, I should warn you, I do have the authority to make a citizen's arrest.
So does anyone. I could arrest you right now.
That's true, she could.
Hey, I'm not talking to you. Okay? Can I see you for a second, please, ma'am? Oh. Look. I understand your sensitivity. I've had some issues with food myself.
Guys, I'm not prepared to eat the really spicy one.
Just saying, I've been down that road. We're still on. We both are, stranded. Let's face it, we need to fill a void. As soon as I start.
I'm not cutting a very big piece off on this one.
Yes, your skin's gonna clear out.
Can you hold on to these?
Sure.
No. Guys, that one's really spicy. Anyway guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. In the comment box down below you'll have a link to my other channel. Bye guys. See you in the next video.